Welcome students, and the important thing about this particular do loop is the fact that it's not compulsory to write this until command after do. If I'm going to remove it from here and if I'm going to set this particular command after loop, then also it's going to work. So if I'm going here, set my cursor, and I'm going to run this, so it's running without any problem. Okay, another variation that apart from until, I can use while command also. So I'm writing do while active cell dot value does not equal to blank. It's just opposite to until. Until command tells when to stop, while command tells up till what tasks you need to run. That's the whole difference actually. In while I was applying the until command, I was saying that till the time you have not got the blank cell, run it. And while command says till the time you are getting a filled cell, run. So that is why I have applied while active cell dot value doesn't equal to blank. This means those cell are filled data. So in order to make things easy, it is very easy to understand that until command tells when to stop the loop, and while command says up till what time the loop needs to be run based on which particular condition. And if I'm going to run this with the help of while command also, it's going to run without any problem. And similarly, while command can be set in front of loop as well, there is no problem. So this is all about do, and the next loop that we are going to cover is the loop counter, known as this is a value based and that is faster than do. They both have their pros and cons, and we are going to watch it in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.